Hey guys, make sure to stand till the end. We'll explain why it's super important to test fuses and relays and not to just assume that a fuse is good or bad, because that may cost you thousands of dollars in repairs. Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Ford Mustang between year 2015 and year 2023. This is known as the 6th generation Ford Mustang. If you're trying to find the fuse for the fuel injectors, stay with us. We'll explain where that fuse is located, why it's super important to test fuses, and where you can buy cheap replacement fuses at a fraction of the price, guys. All that will be covered today. Before we start, guys, let me tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, guys, we make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart. We take engines apart, transmission. We show you how to fix pretty much almost anything, guys. Interior, bodywork. Why we do all that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video. That way we can keep making these free videos. And if you guys have a Ford Mustang, that generation, 6th generation from year 2015 to year 2023, we'll be, guys, taking that car completely apart and we'll show you how to fix almost anything. So if you need to buy any parts, tools at a good price and quick shipping, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tool supplies from, and you can, guys, save a ton of money. Let's start on it now. Specifically, we'll demonstrate on a 2018 Ford Mustang GT 5.0 V8, but even if you have a 4-cylinder engine, it will work as well, guys. Okay, it will work for a 2.3 EcoBoost. So we're going to come right here and let us show you now what we have specifically. Fuse box will be located on your left side of the engine. Doesn't matter if you have a 4 or 8-cylinder engine, 4-cylinder or 8-cylinder engine. You're going to press here, pull up. This is the cover, and what we have here, that fuse layout, guys, here now, that's the fuse layout, and the fuse numbers correspond to what we have specifically here. It is, guys, very important to test fuses and relays. On those fuses you cannot clearly see if they're burnt or not, especially you can see in the J-case fuses as well. And if you guys assume, okay, let's say you remove a fuse, you look at it and you assume, guys, that it's actually a good fuse, but it's actually a bad fuse. Sometimes you cannot clearly see that. What can easily happen, guys, at that point, you can put the bad fuse in and you start replacing parts and tools that you don't need to, so you lose your time, you lose your money to fix a problem that doesn't exist, when all we had to do is test the fuse and replace it. We'll put a link to a special video that will teach you how to test fuses, how to check relays very easily as well, guys. So check it out, it will be in the description of the video below. Now, if you guys need to buy replacement fuses and relays, you have up to 4 different fuses and 3 different kinds of relays. Check out the link in the description of the video below. You can see where you can get them from for a fraction of the price, really good price and quick shipping. Fuse that we need to check will be in that fuse block right here. This is the fuse block that we have specifically. And if you look, guys, the fuse block that we have specifically here, the fuse that we need to check is known as fuse number 4141. This one will be in that row 1, 2, 3. That third fuse right there, guys. That third fuse. Okay, that's a little bit even sideways. That third fuse right here, that's the one for the fuel injector, 15 amp fuse in our case. Hopefully the video will be helpful to any of you trying to figure this thing out. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.